Hello and welcome to the BayPay Forum's daily news podcast. I'm Lisa, here to bring you the latest in payments and fintech. This episode is proudly sponsored by PayCademy.com, your leading online resource for learning about the payments and fintech industry, anytime, anywhere, with over 220 courses at your fingertips. Let's dive into today's top stories. UniCredit concludes the acquisition of Ion Bank and Vodeno. International banking group UniCredit has announced that it acquired the whole share capital of Ion Bank and Vodeno after receiving approvals from all relevant authorities. Payoneer partners with Mizan Bank to optimize cross-border payments. Fintech Payoneer has partnered with a Pakistan-based Islamic bank, Mizan Bank, to improve cross-border payments for Pakistani SMBs, freelancers and entrepreneurs. Bespin Global and Ozone API to increase open banking adoption in the U.S. US-based cloud consultancy Bespin Global has partnered with the open API platform Ozone API to provide an end-to-end open banking solution to US financial institutions. American Eagle improves digital banking using Alchemy's platform. Alchemy Technology has announced that American Eagle will use its cloud-based digital banking platform to improve innovation and user experience. Lily Connect expands internationally. Financial platform Lily has announced that Lily Connect is now available to eligible international businesses and entrepreneurs who are not U.S. residents. Emirates NBD launches Visa Commercial Pay Mobile in UAE. Emirates NBD has partnered with Visa to become the first bank in the United Arab Emirates to roll out Visa Commercial Pay Mobile. NomuPay partners with Venditon to improve e-commerce payment solutions. NomuPay, a global payments platform, has partnered with Venditon, a technology-driven e-commerce solutions provider. Airwallex expands embedded finance tools for creator platforms. Airwallex has introduced improved embedded finance capabilities that were designed to support creator platforms. ProcessOut partners with Trustly to offer instant bank payment solutions. ProcessOut, a payment orchestration platform, has partnered with Trustly, a pay-by-bank solutions provider, to offer merchants simple instant bank payments. Viva.com teams up with Extenda Retail to deliver retail and hospitality solutions in Europe. Viva.com, a Greece-based company enabling merchant payment acceptance, has joined forces with Extenda Retail to provide cloud-native all-in-one retail and hospitality solutions in Europe. Persona launches its KYC/KYB platform for business fraud prevention. Persona, a global identity platform, has launched its unified KYC/KYB platform designed to combat complex fraud during business onboarding and throughout the business lifecycle. Quantexa completes $175 million US Series F funding round. British tech company Quantexa has announced the rise of a $175 million US Series F funding round aimed to help enterprises stay ahead in the race for I-driven. Flagstone integrates Alloy to improve onboarding security and efficiency. Flagstone, a UK-based savings platform, has partnered with Alloy to automate and improve its customer onboarding process. Central Bank introduces new security measures for Pix transactions. The Central Bank of Brazil has announced a series of important security updates to the Pix regulation, affecting financial and payment institutions. Visa and MasterCard face UK regulatory action over lack of competition. Visa and MasterCard have faced UK regulatory action over lack of competition, as card duopolies' sharp fee increases are costing businesses £170 million extra a year. Corsair Capital makes $295 million US deal with ID Now. US-based private equity firm Corsair Capital has acquired German identity verification provider ID Now in a $295 million US all-cash deal. Socure launches Identity Manipulation Risk Score for first-party fraud. Socure has launched the Identity Manipulation Risk Score, an AI-driven tool for digital identity verification and fraud prevention. Prompt partners with Chargebacks 911. Chargebacks 911 has partnered with Prompt, a cloud-based remote payment solution provider, aiming to protect customers against chargeback fraud and misuse. Papaya Global joins forces with SumSub to optimize fraud prevention. SumSub, a global verification platform, has teamed up with Papaya Global to support the latter through AI-enabled automated solutions for verification and fraud prevention. Skyfire Payments Network for AI Agents exits beta. Skyfire, a startup founded by former Google and Ripple executives, has brought its payments network that enables AI agents to make autonomous transactions out of beta. Lloyds to cut UK jobs, shift IT skills to India, featuring Lloyds is planning to cut hundreds of permanent IT employees working in the UK, whilst simultaneously hiring IT engineers in similar roles in India. 87% encountered AI-driven cyberattacks in 2024. SoSafe. SoSafe's report explores the global tension between AI adoption and the associated security risks, highlighting the views of 500 global security professionals and 100 SoSafe customers across 10 countries. Zopa hires Visa Europe data lead as Chief Analytics Officer. UK-based digital bank Zopa has appointed Visa Europe Head of Data Science Jeremy Penzer as Chief Analytics Officer. Nequi partners with Payoneer to offer more flexibility to global entrepreneurs. Nequi has announced its partnership with Payoneer in order to offer more flexibility and security to entrepreneurs around the globe. North Macedonia and Moldova join SEPA Payment Network. The European Payments Council (EPC) board has approved the inclusion of the Republic of North Macedonia and Moldova into the geographical scope of the SEPA payment schemes. Swiss merchants now accept WeChat Pay through Nexi Group partnership. Nexi Group, a Europe-based paytech company, has partnered with WeChat Pay to allow Swiss merchants to accept payments via the WeChat Pay app at POS terminals. Feedzai introduces Scam Alert fraud detection tool. Feedzai has unveiled Scam Alert, a fraud prevention tool that leverages generative AI, Gen AI, to help banks and consumers identify and prevent scams. Markets unmoved by Trump's Bitcoin reserve plan. Bitcoin's price dipped on Thursday as markets were left underwhelmed by an executive order from President Donald Trump creating a strategic reserve made up of the cryptocurrency already owned by the government. A robust cyber fusion strategy is integral to fight fraud threats. Cybercriminals have more tools at their disposal than ever before, and they're using them to target consumers in increasingly complex and effective ways. Thank you for joining us for today's coverage. Remember, you can delve deeper into any story we discussed today by visiting our news section at baypayforum.com. We're here every day, bringing you the critical insights and latest trends across the payments and fintech landscape. Until next time, I'm Lisa, thanking you for watching and inviting you to join us again tomorrow for more updates. Stay informed, stay ahead.